Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to remove photo on Bumble in this video. Let's get started. First, open Bumble on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on Profile at the bottom left. Tap on your picture at the top left. Tap on Edit Profile. Now, under Photo and Videos, tap and hold on any picture or video that you want to remove from your profile. Then tap on Delete Photo. And that is how to remove pictures on Bumble. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.